guys, I just realized that I have not recorded at all. So we are, I'm so sorry about that. It's actually 1 o'clock and we have been running errands all day. But yes, Nick and I for the weekend, my mom got me for my birthday, which is in December, a weekend stay at a really nice hotel. And so we chose this weekend because we could kind of celebrate our anniversary more, and without the kids. So Jenny is actually going to watch the kids, but I'm going to go and do her hair, and then Nick and I are going to head out for Jenny and I are actually going to go to a doctor appointment for me, and then after that Nick and I are heading to the hotel. So yeah, I think that's it. Hang on. Allie, say hi. Axton, say hi. Hi. Say love you. I'll try to record more. I'm sorry, today's video might be really short, and that's my fault. Nobody else's. But we'll try to make it long. Maybe Nick and I will record a bunch this weekend. I don't know. Sorry about that. She wants to see the moment. Ah, you picked it.
Hey, what are you doing?
Taking a video of my kids.
Oh, okay.
Axton and Allie, what you guys doing? Jumping on the bed?
Yeah.
Are you gonna fall off and bunk your head?
No.
No, you're not gonna be a little monkey? Oh, turning on the light. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bunked his head.
What are you doing?
Oh, Allie disappeared. Hey guys, so I am here at Victoria's friend's Jenny's house with their kids. Watching my kids too, which is kind of a fun little activity, I guess. We went for a walk, and then I bought a treat for Trinity. It's okay. Kids are jumping on the beds now, as you just saw, which is whatever, I don't care. Victoria and Jenny are coming home now, and then Victoria and I are going to go on a weekend trip. So, we're going to have fun, and the kids are going to be here.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? We have the weekend to ourselves. Yeah!
She just put red lipstick on me.
You're blushing.
Probably not a very good picture with no light behind this.
Let's see. No, it's fine.
Okay.
I will give you a tour of our place. We are in
Salt Lake.
Doubletree Hilton.
Doubletree Hilton.
Come on, husband. I'm going to give husband the tour because he hasn't seen it yet.
Just smack the
Sometimes I just don't care. Okay, this is a picture of a flower. Oh, my camera's about to die. This is our desk. That's when we walk in. And then you turn. And then there I am. You want to say anything to the mirror? Come here, come say hi to the mirror.
Hi, mirror.
This is our height difference right there. Yep. And then you turn. And this is our little kitchen. Little kitchen. And then our potty area. And we've already unpacked everything. And there's our shower. And then there's another mirror. And then there's another mirror. And then you could close that door. And then you could open this. And there's our bag with my shoes. Oh, dark. Clap on. That would have been awesome. Oh, we just unpacked our clothes and swim stuff, and there is where the magic's gonna happen. And there's another mirror!
She's obsessed with the freaking mirrors.
No, I'm not.
Ooh, in there.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep, it's comfy.
It's comfy.
So like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll let you know how tomorrow goes.
We're going to Lagoon tomorrow.
So we probably won't take our camera because we don't have a GoPro.
Yeah, we need a GoPro. Maybe we'll go buy a GoPro.
No, we don't want to go get one right now.
Not right now. You can see up your nose.
Oh, don't look at my
No,
nose.
there's no boogers. I'm checking. That was a successful booger check.
So join our family and love our kids, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Love you. Bye.